Hello guys, pasilip natin sa inyo ngayon yung ating cargo crane boom truck. Hyundai brand pala ito and then fresh from Korea. Ang kulay naman nito is green truck with yellow crane. 25 tons truck capacity na din to guys at ang sukat nito is 27 feet and 8 inches by 8 feet. 14-wheeler na din pala to and then double I-beam and double differential din po with high and low transmission. Yung boom lifting capacity naman nito is 20 tons crane capacity. Ang outrigger span naman ng front is 7.4 meters and yung rear naman is 5.1 meters. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang bago talaga ng unit. Sobrang fully reconditioned and kung makikita mo, ang ganda ng mga seat at saka yung kulay. Isa lang to sa mga pwede nyong pagpilian. So, visit na kayo sa site namin. Pin location